Hi, welcome aboard the Sea Ray 370 Sundancer outboard. I'm Pete Soma here at MarineMax Brick. Let's take a look. Here on the swim platform, you can see we do have the sea deck that will carry all the way into the cockpit and up to the bow. This boat is powered by twin Mercury 600 V12 outboards. Newer design, a couple years old now, but great performance all the way around. We have storage all across the back here, boarding ladder, our sprayers. Let's go into the cockpit and check out there. All right, here in the cockpit, plenty of space all the way around. My favorite seat on the 370 Sundancer is this. This will transition forward and back, giving you great access to look out onto the water. Dune color interior throughout. Right now, we have our canvas rolled up. You can enclose the entire cockpit, turn it into a 3-season boat. Our wet bar with fridge, plenty of storage, and a little tray table right there, and sink. You do have 2 tables in the cockpit as well. They are stored below. Let's go take a look at the helm. All right, here at the helm, we have Frank behind the wheel, sitting on the double wide Vulsar that is mirrored on the port side as well. Plenty of natural light coming into the skylight. Twin Simrad displays, all of our halo switching, Fusion stereo remote, our binnacles, and our joystick for the Mercury 600s. Let's take a look downstairs. Down in the cabin of the 37, plenty of natural light still coming through, and then all of our lighting around. Hardtop right here with sink, our microwave. We have a really convenient trash receptacle right here, and another fridge. Coming over here to our berth, this is a great seating area right here. Plenty of spots for everybody. We have a TV over here. This piece right here on a switch will actually come up and turn into a bed platform for 2. Let's check out the other cockpit in the back. Okay, here in the aft berth, this can be used as a little bit of a seating area, but again, you do have sleeping for about 2. It is right underneath the stairs coming down. We have a little sound bar right here, and a nicely stowed Samsung TV. Let's go take a look at the head compartment. Okay, here in the head compartment, highlighting that natural light still coming through. Head. We have our sink and our shower with bench. Fully stand up, might I add. Let's go take a look in the bow. As we make our way up to the bow, we have a beautiful door, so you can really close yourself into the cockpit, boating well into the winter. All right, up in the bow on the 370, we have triple seating in the front, both with their individual armrests. On our right side, beautiful wood grain right here, 2 cup holders, charging for your phone. Access to our anchor locker. It is a through hull anchor. All of your controls are right there, and our spotlight. Okay, back here in my favorite seat of the 370 Sundancer. Again, this boat is here at MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. If you'd like to come in and check it out, please feel free. I'll see you on the water.